Hi guys, here 9 minus 88 divided by 22 is 4 times this 4. 2 power this 2. Now 9 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here 9 minus 16 is negative 7 times 4. Here negative 7 times 4 is negative 28 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, this negative 28 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that pandas rule from order of operation. This is bracket, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. Here, as per this order of operations pandas rule, we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 9 minus, inside the bracket we have two operations. One is division, other one is multiplication. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to follow here left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. So 88 divided by 22 is 4 times this 4. This 2 power 2. Now the bracket is 4 times 4 is 16 times this 2 power 2. The next priority as per the order of operations pandas is exponent. The here exponent is 2 power 2. 9 minus 16, 2 power 2 is 4. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. So 9 minus this 16 times 4 is 64. Now 9 minus 64 is negative 55 is the correct answer.